used to run through the fields of white, snowflakes dancing in the moonlight. Cold winds never chilled my bones back when I was young and strong. Snowball fights, frozen streams, winter felt just like a dream. Now I watch it through the glass, just waiting for the storm to pass. I must be getting old, I feel it in my soul. The frost don't shine like it did before. Used to love the snowfall, now I just recall how I long for springtime more and more. Shoveling snow used to be no pain, now my back just don't feel the same. Boots by the door, but I hesitate, dreaming of the sun on my face. Icicles hung like chandeliers once filled my heart with winter cheer. Now I count the days till green, tired of all this in between. I must be getting old, I feel it in my soul. Frost don't shine like it did before. Used to love the snowfall, now I just recall how I long for springtime more and more. Maybe it's the years, maybe it's the cold, maybe it's the stories that haven't been told. But I know when the robins sing, I'll finally feel like me again. So I'll sit here by the firelight, let winter fade into the night. Come the morning, melt away, bring on the spring. I just can't wait.